Nreal.
Nreal. This is definitely a device that should be on your list.
Nreal AR are thus a great accessory for the Steam Deck.
Take the power of the Steam Deck by making it a little bit more immersive.
My Steam Deck playing the games, but I can actually experience it in a giant screen as opposed to kind of sitting over them.
You don't really have that much input delay here. I really don't experience anything as far as like input lag, so it feels really good.
Playing Cuphead on my Steam Deck, the hand-drawn characters spring to life with depth and definition that is frankly just not seen on the Deck's LCD.
This was easy by just plugging directly via USB Type-C.
I have my video games on my eyeballs on a 130-inch screen with speakers and everything included. This honestly is a phenomenal accessory.
I was really blown away by the brightness and the clarity of these AR glasses.
So whether your source material is 720p or 1080p, you're gonna wind up with a great looking image with no screen door effect whatsoever.
Their light 79-gram weight
That I can fit in my carry-on bag along with something like a Steam Deck or put it into my laptop bag.
Look more like just regular sunglasses, so you really don't look like you're using anything in public.
Out of all the devices here, these ones look the most normal.
This is a genuine reaction. They are super cool, and I will continue to use them in the future.